Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix TikTok sounds not working or loading. First of all, check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable connection and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. Then restart the TikTok app by
I'm very proud of how I
from
look.
the bottom of your screen.
Yes,
and then
I am high
swiping it away. After that, clear the app's cache through settings. Go ahead and open TikTok.
I'm very proud.
Go to your profile and then click on the three icon button. Go to settings and privacy, scroll down, click on free up space and then clear cache and clear downloads drafts. Next, update TikTok to the latest version by going to your app store, search for TikTok and make sure you have updated TikTok to the latest version. And that's it. Subscribe for more TikTok fixes and tutorials.